What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about USDC Terra Classic USD, which has pumped up nearly 190% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just over 5 cents. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much. A lot of people are saying it's going to go back to the dollar mark, which it was worth like 2 years ago, back in 2022, early 2022, so nearly 2 years ago, before it took a major crash, which all of you should probably know about. And ever since then, it hasn't pumped up all up until now, where it has gone up nearly over 300%, I believe. Yeah, 300% over the last 2 to 3 days. So is this the recovery of USDC, or is it just a temporary pump and then it's going to literally crash back down in value? That's what we're going to be going through and looking at. Buyers, sellers point of view, and sellers point of view. Is now the time to sell it? Is it time to buy it? So on and so on, and also looking at its prediction as usual. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of USDC, which is here at around 2 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in green at nearly 7 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. However, they are looking quite steep, meaning this is not realistic. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting USDC to have gone up to around the 8 cents target. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. So yes, going higher than where it is at the moment is where I'm expecting USDC to be heading up to. But that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting green candles. Of course not. It is likely to hit red candles in between, take a little bit of a step back before it pumps up again higher to around 8 cents or just over 8 cents towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, we're looking a little bit more skeptical here. We've got the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So what does this mean? So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming week or so towards the end of this week and early next week. However, my expectations is for the crypto to have dropped back down in value to below 2 cents towards the end of this week and early next week as well. Yes, I know it's pumping right now because it is overvalued. It is likely to crash back down over the coming days. Even over the next 24 to 48 hours, we may see green candles heading up to around just about 10 cents before it slowly starts to crash back down by midweek to end of the week as well, dropping below the 2 cents target is where I'm expecting USDC to be trading at by the end of this week and early next week. So that should essentially answer some of your questions. Is it time to buy it right now? Yeah, that should probably answer your questions, but I'll go through the buyers and sellers point of view later on in the video. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are looking way too steep, guys. The blue and the orange line are looking very bullish, going towards the positive direction. Only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 to 48 hours. The graph thinks that it's going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is not the case. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late January 2024, USDC should have dropped back down to around 1 cent is what I'm expecting from the crypto. So no major pumps or bull runs are expected. Of course, in between that time, we may see a little bit of a pump like what's happened now, but more than likely it is going to straight away crash back down in value to 1 or 2 cents in target, unless the crypto goes for an upgrade and the founders go do an update on it then of course we may see either a positive or negative impact on its value, but at the moment nothing like that is predicted. So yeah, I'm expecting it to keep dropping in value. So let's have a quick read through at what people are saying online. So USDC is up a whopping 302% after new Binance listing. USDC trading volume has risen over 2000%. Bulls embark on run. But again, yes, it is due to the Binance listing. However, I'm not expecting it to keep going in that direction. I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. Not sure if I mentioned it earlier on in the video, the Binance listing, but yeah, that is the main reason it's pumping. But again, I'm not expecting it to keep going in a positive direction. In fact, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. So according to CoinMarketCap, blah blah blah, we've gone through this, and yes, the trading volume has also gone up over 1,200%, making it $1.3 billion in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. A lot of people are trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. However, at the moment, I'm not investing into it as I am expecting it to crash back down in value. But from the seller's point of view, yes, I understand why people would be selling it. If they are on a profit, they're of course taking out their profits right now, because the last time this crypto did essentially pump was over a year ago, about 18 months ago, guys. So it is a long time. A lot of people have waited for this moment. So most people, I'm pretty sure, are getting rid of their cryptocurrency. I'm sorry, not cryptocurrency, but USDC to be specific, and potentially taking out their profits. And some people may be believing in the project that from now on is going to do well, so on and so on, and from that point of view they may be investing into it. But I myself wouldn't recommend investing into the crypto right now. As I mentioned earlier, I'm expecting it to crash back down. So since the weekend, USDC and Terra Classic as well has been on a bullish run. On November 25th, which was 2 days ago, the USDC price began a run shortly after what appeared to be a golden cross on its chart. This was followed by a strong price increase, with USDC reaching a high of just over 7 cents in today's trading session. So let's quickly have a look. Yes, as you guys can see, it hit just over 7 cents a couple of hours ago. But yeah, this is my take on USDC, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you guys expecting the crypto to keep pumping over the coming hours, days, weeks, months, potentially hitting the dollar mark? I'm not expecting it to hit the dollar mark, by the way, not anytime soon, or even in the next couple of years. It is unlikely to hit the dollar mark, because it's going to have to go for a stupid amount of percentage increase to hit that target. But yeah, comment down below, what is the highest price this crypto can hit in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot, and it means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.